Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video, I have a queen size bed and a beautiful dressing table right here. Teakwood triple shade paint and a beautiful look right here, as you can see. It has got one side table as the client required, and this is what we do at Aarsun. What we make is what you want. We don't push anything from our side. If you want a single side table, we'll make one only. We don't provide two. The size of the bed is queen size. Generally, the size is king size, super king size, and queen size. Queen size means 5 feet left to right and front to back 78 inches. That is 6.5 feet. 5 feet by 6.5 feet. And it can also go for 75 inches. That's a little shorter, 3 inches shorter if you want. We ask the mattress size from every client when we are making the bed, and the bed has got storage, and it's not a regular storage, it's the hydraulic storage. What helps is once we have the hydraulic, I'm not holding anything. I can simply put the stuff inside or get the stuff outside and simply push it back, and it closes very easily. And this is so easy to pick and easy to close. Other options may include side drawers. That is what we have also done earlier. Or you can go for one side long storage and one side drawers. If you want, we provide that too. Typically, any bed, a storage bed, have four parts: the back, the front, and two boxes, and very easy installation. Put the boxes together, put the back where it belongs. There are two bolts that goes at the back, two bolts in the front. Tighten the bolts, done. 5 minutes installation. You may need a couple of guys to push the stuff together or hold the stuff while you're tightening the bolts. That's it. Back height is little more than 5 feet. The front is 24 inches high, and the side table is 24 inches by 16 inches. Height is 24 inches, 2 feet. This is about the bed. When we have the bed with the plain sides, as you can see, the side is plain. The middle part is made of ply. The back and the front are teak wood. But if we have design on the sides, then the side part is also made of teak wood. So the middle structure is plywood, and the back and front solid teak wood in triple shade, and a nice quilting design with a leatherette as the client asked for. The back can be fabric, it can be real leather, it can be leatherette like this, or any other particular fabric like suede, holland, or jacquard. We give you all the options depending on your choice, depending on your liking. About the side table, it has got two drawers with channels, easy to open, easy to close, and it's a very good thing to have. When we have side tables, you can put your glass, your bottle, water bottle, mobile phone, charger. You can keep books inside, or your medicines that you want easy reach for. One side table at least should be there. Along with this, we have very classical, in fact very Victorian style of dressing unit. A lot of Victorian theme homes have the same design, and it's a very clean look design. 3.5 feet left to right, 21 inches front to back. Till this part, the leg is a little going outside. The total height is 6.5 feet, and this table is around 32 inches high. And sitting stool along with this, 20 inches square, 18 inches high. Everything in the matching theme. The design, the pattern, and the colors all are matching. And little storage here, one drawer and two drawers for the storage area. So this is the entire set we have as the client asked for. This set is going to Hyderabad. Colors, designs, patterns, sizes, fabric, everything is as per your choice. And this is what Aarsun is doing for global clients, not just India, but 55 countries. This is handwork, the art of master artisans. And we are taking this handwork, art of carving across the globe to 55 plus countries, and we are decorating homes globally. Quite a number of interior designers and architects are working along with us because they have very unique ideas, very different ideas, and they don't get real people who work on those things and get those ideas to reality. At Arson, if you go to YouTube and look at our videos, you'll find many videos. I think 1500 videos we have, and so much stuff we have done. Almost all the colors even gold leafing, silver leafing, champagne leafing, antique gold leafing, dual shade, triple shade, white, off-white, natural polish, matte finish, gloss finish, walnut, mahogany, cherry, gold, antique gold, and silver finish, rose gold finish. All these things we have already done. And all these points, all these units are already in detailed video on YouTube. And if you go to our website and check the testimonial section, you will see the deliveries, the clients that have sent the pictures to us once they have placed the stuff in their home. All these pictures are from the client's home. Only a happy client send the pictures, and we can proudly display them on our website. This is the work we have done already, and we'll be happy to add another pictures from your place once you receive the stuff, once you send the pictures back to us with your love, with your blessings, and with reference orders. The work is right here on the website, on YouTube, on Instagram, on Twitter, LinkedIn, so many places we are already present. You can check what you like, let us know what you want. We make that at factory price, deliver at factory price, the best price, and you get the best quality branded product from Aarsun as per your choice. Please contact us. The number is right here. Thank you. Dhanyavad.